business was started by my late father back in 1969. It started as a computer applications bureau. We offered programming, data capture. There was, we'd generate reports for the customers and that type of thing. And then the requests started coming through for, would you print and mail our debtor statements? So that kind of was the start and the beginning of the evolution towards, printing and mailing statements and transactional. So, and then I think that led to the acquisition of a mailing company back in 1983. And then from that, we grew. I think you need to surround yourself with people that you can trust. I think you need to surround yourself with people that know what they're doing and also that are committed, hardworking, and they need to buy into the vision that you have. They need to support you, and then there's trust. So I think that for me is crucial to our journey. I sort of see things in a circle, and the one part of the circle is your staff. The other part of the circle is your suppliers, and then obviously it's your customers. So you've got to have all of those three things working in your favor, but also to be symbiotic so that your suppliers are happy and it's a mutually beneficial thing. And that's what we always strive for. So the staff turnover is very low. We have staff that have been with us for upwards of 30 years. And then obviously our customer base has grown, and we have retained a large percentage of those customers. Obviously, there's challenges with the post office. People are wanting to move away from traditional transactional stuff through the post to email and SMS. So obviously, it's a bit hard to control when that is happening and your quantities are dropping. So the inkjet came just at the right time, which allowed us to reduce waste. It was a big thing. And then obviously efficiencies insofar as when you're being supplied a newsletter late, and now you have to go and put that on the press, and you're not 100% sure what quantities you need to produce for that particular run. With the inkjet, the newsletter can come the day before, and you can print exactly what you need. So, and there's no waste. So from that point of view, it's transformed the way we do stuff. Traffic fines has been quite a big thing. Predominantly now we're still running transactional on it, but we've ventured into workbooks as well. So we are now providing different types of print for historic customers that we've had, where obviously with the newer investments that we've got, we can print them posters and print their business cards and add those extra services to the bundle. A lot of our work has been government and municipal based work involving statements and newsletters and that type of thing. It's pretty cutthroat. The margins aren't as good. So you got to be fairly creative in what you're putting forward in the tender. So we developed quite some time back the one-step mailer. So there's no need for an envelope. And then we've done it in such a way that you can print it now on the inkjet in A3 with your statement and the newsletter next to it. So that's really helped us be competitive, and then you're getting your message across in a very economical way. We started the print-on-demand side of things in Cape Town, just to start out slowly to see how we went, and that's now going to be done in Johannesburg now that we've gone through the process here in Cape Town. So we're very much looking to change our split from where we have 70% of our turnover from government and municipal work to have more retail books and POD stuff making up the bigger chunk of our turnover. So I think books is definitely one of the avenues that we're going to be pushing forward on. Kyocera have hit the nail on the head with the Task Alpha. The pricing point is perfect for us entry level into inkjet, and again, it's helped us transform our business, and it's a brilliant machine in that it's running at a lower temperature, obviously, so less jams, and it's the click rates as well. The click charge is the same for A3 as it is for A4, so that when you're pricing a tender and you need to be as competitive as possible, that plays a big factor in being competitive. So that's a great advantage that the machine provides. The book binding story is going to be picking up now in August. And then Johannesburg as well, we'll be investing there over the coming months to set up the print-on-demand side of the business. So that's also quite an exciting thing that's going to be happening. So yeah, we're heading in the right direction.